Okay guys, so we have this one at 150. We're moving the windshield with the new guy over here. So we put the hose and the beast, you know, in the back of the tool. On the top of the tool you can go straight, or over here vertical, horizontal. So that way you have a lot of room around the tool and it's more easy, I think so. Okay, so let's go and start working on this. I'm gonna go easy with the stops because they have very close to the glass. The stop is right there. The glass is pretty tight. I don't want to snap the line, because sometimes this line is snapped for any reason. There you go. That's it. We don't have more room. Let's go with the next one. All right. Oh yeah. Now here we can continue it or we can just make a turn, but still you can go slowly and finish the cut. That's it. Now remember, sometimes you have to play with the tool because you have to go, you can start here, make the turn, go all the way there, running. You can just make the fiber lines go around this tool, and that's all. Okay guys, so thank you so much and see you next time. I'm gonna remove the back glass, but that one is with bolts, so no big deal. So it's a power sliding, but it's beautiful. Okay guys, thank you so much. I'm tired. It's hot today, not really hot, but it's gonna be start hot a little bit, but it's the humidity, not much in Texas today. Okay guys, thank you so much. Remember, all these tools will be available on b3dcar.com. all right, thanks so much, and remember, the best homemade tools and the market in Dallas or in Irving around. Okay guys, so thank you so much, and see you next time. I don't know what I'm saying, I'm tired, I want to go home. Too much work. See you next time.